Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Why don't SMT factories purchase spare patch heads? This seemingly small detail may affect production efficiency. As we all know, the price of a patch head ranges from 10 to 20,000 and is not considered expensive. But why do many SMT factories not have backup patch heads? It turned out that it was because they did not realize the importance of backup sticker heads. When there is an abnormal shutdown of the patch head, the maintenance time is long, which has a huge impact on production capacity. Emergency orders cannot be delivered in a timely manner, and customer trust can also decrease, which may even lead to order loss. It is interesting that some factories would rather invest tens or even billions of dollars in equipment, but overlook the importance of backup patch heads. They may pay more attention to equipment investment and operational efficiency, while neglecting the role of backup patch heads. In fact, cooperation between suppliers and factories is also a key factor. If the supplier can provide timely spare parts support, the factory can better cope with the situation of chip head failure and avoid long-term downtime for maintenance. Some of the manufacturers we work with have begun to realize the importance of spare patch heads and have signed up with us for quick response accessory support services or directly purchase spare patch heads in order to quickly resume production and improve production efficiency. So, if you have not yet purchased a spare patch head and established a good cooperative relationship with the supplier, it is recommended to include it in the production plan as soon as possible. This seemingly small decision can ensure the stable operation of the factory. In factory management, details determine success or failure. Although the spare patch head is just a small component, it can play an important role in critical moments. So, factory managers, please do not overlook the importance of backup film heads. Let the production line run efficiently and bring more success to the enterprise.